we have an ammo box kit winner. But before we get started, let's talk holiday gift ideas. Dayton Audio's DSP-LF low-frequency DSP controller gives you the power to revolutionize your home theater or listening room's low-end dynamic using digital signal processing. An easy tool to make a big difference. The Stahl Tools STSSVT variable temperature soldering station was designed to exceed the expectations of veteran technicians, yet sold at a price that is appealing to any electronics hobbyist. How do you build great sounding speakers on a budget? Easy! The C-Note speaker kit delivers accurate response, incredible imaging, and a surprising amount of bass for just a C-Note. A great gift for beginners or experts. Stay tuned for more suggestions on gift ideas, or just head over now to partsexpress.com and see the whole gift guide for yourself. Now, last month we ran a giveaway for someone to win a large portable Bluetooth ammo box speaker kit. We picked a winner out of everyone who entered, and that person is William T. from Morgantown, West Virginia. Congratulations, William, you're the winner! We'll be in touch soon. Now this month, we are giving away Dayton Audio's massive 21-inch high excursion subwoofer, the Kraken. This prize is worth nearly $500, so if you want to win, check out the link in this video's description or head to partsexpress.com to enter there. Good luck, we'll see you next month.